Hello friends, welcome back to Learn with Arush. So today we're going to be learning about a science part which includes humans and non-humans. Do you know what I'm talking about? I'm talking about psychology. So what is psychology anyway? Psychology is the study of the mind and behavior of the brain. So there are three main parts of the brain. First, the cerebrum, the largest, cerebellum, the second largest, and the brainstem, which is the smallest of them all. So, first, let's learn about the cerebrum. A quick review. So, the cerebrum is the largest part of the brain, and it is so big that it's divided into two parts, two hemispheres. The right hemisphere is it controls the left part of your body, and the left hemisphere controls the right part of your body. That's weird. And these two hemispheres are divided by a bundle of nerves called the corpus callosum. This cerebrum, the largest part of the brain, controls many things such as the voluntary muscles, the short-term memory. It processes all the complex information, and it also coordinates the body movement. So next is the cerebellum. The cerebellum is the second biggest part of your brain. The cerebellum is in the back of your brain, just above the brainstem and just below the cerebrum. So it's the second biggest part of your brain, and it controls the balance, fine motor movement, writing, and coordination, and it also coordinates the eye movement. The next part of your brain is the brainstem. The brainstem is the lowest part of the brain, and it is the smallest. So the brainstem connects the brain to the spinal cord, and it is responsible and it controls breathing, swallowing the food, heart rate, and feeling sleepy or awake. So there is also a different version of the brain, parts of the brain. There are four lobes which are mentioned in psychology. So the names are frontal lobe, occipital lobe, parietal lobe, and temporal lobe. These four make up the brain in different parts. The four lobes. The first lobes of the four is the frontal lobe. The frontal lobe is in the front of your brain, and it helps in decision making, problem solving, personality, behavior, and much more, such as the ability to speak. So next is the temporal lobe. The temporal lobe is just beneath the frontal lobe, and it helps in memory, language, and the ability to hear. So on the top back part of your brain is another lobe. It is the parietal lobe. The parietal lobe is it helps in the ability to interpret languages, sense of touch, and it also sends out pain receptors or pain. So the next lobe is the occipital lobe. This lobe interprets what you see, such as it processes the distance, the depth perception, colors, uh, object, and face recognition. And it also processes the memories too. There are many people who get negative emotions. Maybe that could be you too. In humans, that's normal. So negative emotions can make you dislike yourself. It can make you lose your confidence. So negative emotions examples are angry, sad, and miserable. These three are the most main ones in the negative emotions. But there is also a positive part of psychology too. The positive emotions make people get their energy and strength back. This helps foster their happiness, and it also fosters their confidence, their good confidence. Then it helps them to connect with others and develop the wisdom they need to have to be happy. So thank you friends for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe and share with your family and friends. Thank you my friends.